Given that we have programmed the GUI view on the Android Studio, we can already run our application. However, the main point for illustrating this is to see how useless it is when you only have a view without a controller and without a model. We haven't done anything to the model and to the controller. So far, we only have done the view. However, with only the view, we can still launch the app. It's just that the app wouldn't do anything that's useful. But it's really worth understanding why it is not useful. Okay, let's try to do this. What you gotta do, first of all, make sure you actually connect your Android tablets to a USB slot. Make sure you do that step now. Okay, so connect your tablet using a USB cable to your computer, either home computer or the lab computer. Make sure you do that first step first. Okay, assuming that you have done this already, you already connected your tablet to the home computer using USB cable. So now if you simply go to your Android project here, and then if you simply go to over here, there's a play button here which says that it's going to run the application we have developed so far for the BMI calculator. If you simply say click on that, it shows you that nothing has been connected yet. It might be the case, but well, let's try to fix it. Okay, that's okay, cancel. What you gotta do is you have to, if you're using the lab machine, it may be at the bottom here, maybe at the bottom of your computer. But if you're using your home computer using a virtual machine, it should be on the top. Go to devices, and then go to USB, and then you should see that the ASUS Nexus 7, it should be there. Okay, choose that to make sure it's really connected, and then this should be something you will see, which means it is now connected. Okay, close that, and now let's do the play button again. Again, if you're using the lab machine, to really connect the USB tablets, it should be at the bottom. There should be some option there. If you're not sure, ask the instructor or the TA. But if you're using the home machine running the virtual image, it should be at the top under devices and then USB, and then you can choose Nexus 7. Okay, so now once you're done with that, what you can do is this one thing you gotta do. So you will see that on your tablets, there should be something called Allow USB Debugging. And now you can either just click on the box to say always allowed, and then say OK. We can just say OK, because every time you want to make sure you give access to the laptop so that you can access your Android tablets. Click on OK on your tablets, and now you can see that it changes from offline into some active mode. Okay, and now you're gonna say OK, and then we're gonna see what's gonna be the effects on launching the app. I'll just say OK. And now it's going to now running and then to build. It will take a little bit of time, so be patient. Okay, just wait. Okay, so now you can see that our app is now being run on the tablets. So now you can just play with it on your tablet. Let's say we enter the name. Let's say Jackie over here. And then enter your weights. For example, you can just enter any number if you like in kilograms. For example, anything like that. And then your heights, and then, for example, it has to be in meters. Let's say 1.70. Okay, so now I'm going to demonstrate to you why this app with only the view program is useless. Because if I now hit this button here on compute item, compute BMI, you can see nothing happened. The Jackie 1.70, they have not been used for any computation whatsoever. And this reaffirms what we said before. The view is only responsible for taking the inputs and displaying the outputs. Any intelligence of doing the computation is up to the model. And then we'll see that even with the controller into play, it wouldn't be perfect for doing the job. So we only have done the view, but we can already run the app. However, the app is still useless because the inputs have not been used for any computation. So what we'll see later is to see how we can take the inputs by the controller and pass them to the model. Okay, that's what we'll see. But at least you can see that you can run your application as is, even with just the view, even though it's useless.